Guys, who doesn't love a nice, juicy burger? I know I do. Let's make a beautiful burger right on that Blackstone griddle. It's gonna be some good groceries. Let's get started. That's some good groceries. So we have 2 pounds of 80/20 ground chuck. I like using the ground chuck. If you want to use something like a sirloin, something with a little bit less fat, go right ahead. This is Blackstone Steakhouse Seasoning. I really like this. The High Plains would work really good. SPG work good. Just use whatever your favorite is. I am using this new Country Crock Drizzle and Sizzle, and it's new. You can use it for a topping. You can use it on the griddle. Many uses here, y'all. And I'm going to put this into our burgers. This is going to make this burger even more juicy. And I might even do some other special things later on too. Now, I'm going to mix this in. I want to get the seasoning mixed in to our beef. But listen, y'all, you do not want to get in this and just go at it. You don't want this to look like a meatloaf. You want to go very loose. You don't want your ground beef to be packed. You kind of just want to be real gentle, real gentle. Now, I do have a calibrated hand, and I'm going to try to make about a 1/3 pound burger. And these are just like, you know, just old pattied burger, just like you grew up with. You know, my mama, she never had a little bougie thing to, you know, mold or whatever. So she just had her old calibrated hand and elbow too. Yeah, about 5.6 ounces, that's right. And we're going to season this side right here. Give it a little bit of more of this love right here. Okay, all right, let's head on over to the griddle. It's been pre-warmed about on a medium heat. Make sure you do that prior, because you want a nice hot griddle to get these burger onto. I guess while we're at it, we might as well hit it with some more of this drizzle and sizzle. We're going to let this cook for 3 to 4 minutes on this one side. Whew, it's going to be good. Hey, y'all come back, we're about ready to flip these, all right? All right, so it's been about 3 minutes. Let's give these a flip, see what they look like. Yeah. A nice little crust on it. The drizzle and sizzle doing its magic. I have no doubt on this other side, more magic's gonna happen. So while that's cooking, we're gonna give that probably another 3-4 minutes or so. We wanna make sure it's cooked, and just cook them to your likeness. Some people like them medium, some people like it medium well. But while we're waiting on those to finish up, we're gonna make a little burger sauce. And to be honest, we're not going real fancy with this, y'all. And we're just gonna make a little burger sauce. So this is just ketchup and mayonnaise. Mix it together. Ratios, about 1 to 1. If you wanna go a little less, do that. So we got some buns as well. And so what I'm gonna do is toast those. And I'm gonna lay our buns right into that drizzle and sizzle. Look at that. All right, after about a minute on that side of the buns, we're gonna give these a flip. Beautiful toast action. And I do like a little bit of warmth on that top side and the bottom of that bun as well, just to make sure it's nice and toasted. I think our burgers are pretty much done here. Really all that's left is a little bit of cheese. And I'm just going with some American cheese. Feel free to hit it with whatever you like. Looks like I miscounted. All good. Some people don't like cheese on their burgers. I don't know who that is, but you know, they're out there. All right, they're out there. Our buns, let's put them over here onto our cutting board. While that cheese is melting, we're going to get these prepped. A little bit of our burger sauce on top and bottom. For me, I like plenty of the burger sauce. I tell you, I like a smash burger, but I also really like just a regular old patted out burger. Something about it. It's back to my childhood, just kind of what I'm used to. Just gonna put a few pickles on here. I'm not gonna deal with the lettuce and tomato. Feel free, if that's what you want, go right ahead. Let's give this a cut, a little cross section. See what we got. Look at that. See that, y'all? Dang! Let's give this a try. Cheers, y'all. Oh, man. Got that nice crust on top. Beautiful steakhouse seasoning. God, that burger is juicy. Fantastic. I suggest you try it on your own, on your griddle. Or I guess you can come to my house too if you want to. Hey, I appreciate you watching. Hey, head on over to the Blackstone Network where you'll see other awesome videos just like this. Hey, I'm Hussey, and that's some good groceries.